Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. Today we will be taking a closer look at one of the most destructive natural hazards facing the United States to date, wildfires.
That's right. Wildfires affect thousands of communities every year, and understanding why they happen, and how to remain safe can make all the difference between life, death, and property destruction.
Let's start with the basics and discover who or what is the cause of these disasters.
This is the end of the mystery. Well,
That's right, you. It's you. Just about 85% of wildfires in the U.S. are caused by humans.
These causes include unattended campfires, discarded cigarettes, burning debris, fireworks, and even malfunctioning power lines or electrical equipment.
Of course, we can't put all of this blame on your chain-smoking grandma who discarded her cigs. Because nature also plays a role. Lightning is the most common cause of this in natural terms, especially during thunderstorms. Wildfires don't just burn down forests, but they also release massive amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change.
The smoke they produce is extremely dangerous, and it contains harmful pollutants like PM2.5, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, hydrocarbons, and even lead. Those pollutants can cause or worsen diseases of the lungs, heart, brain, skin, kidneys, eyes, and more. PM2.5 has even been linked to premature deaths and memory loss.
And smoke can travel a long distance, allowing tiny particles to enter the bloodstream and cause serious respiratory and cardiovascular problems. Can wildfires be predicted? The answer at face value is no.
However, wildfire experts closely monitor temperature, humidity, wind speed, and soil moisture to assess these risk levels.
Drought information is especially important. Tracking things like precipitation and stream flow helps predict how dry and flammable the environment is.
into this.
Community awareness is also key in preventing these wildfires. Warning signs to look out for a nearby wildfire include smoke in the distance, the smell of burning, or a hazy orange-tinted sky. Always extinguish campfires completely. Don't leave them unattended or up to chance, and properly dispose of your cigarettes.
Residents should also sign up for community alerts, and families should create an emergency evacuation plan.
We hear about wildfires and the damage they cause and lives all the time on the news. Take active measures to ensure that these don't affect you or your loved ones. While we're on the topic, here are some facts you may not know about wildfires.
Wildfires can cost the U.S. billions of dollars annually in damages, firefighting, and economic losses.
They also spread faster uphill due to rising heat, drying, and preheating vegetation ahead of the flames.
Wildfires can travel up to 14 miles per day and reach temperatures of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
A wildfire can create its own weather system called a pyrocumulonimbus, or a fire cloud, which can produce lightning, rain, and wind and falling embers.
And interestingly enough, controlled burns and intentional fires can help maintain healthy ecosystems by enriching soil and promoting regrowth.
Staying informed keeps communities safe. For now, I'm Lauren Benson.
And I'm Alyssa Arrowwood. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.